Ever found yourself staring at your business finances, feeling like you're deciphering ancient hieroglyphics? You're not alone. So many small business owners get bogged down in spreadsheets, struggling to keep track of income, expenses, and all the other financial intricacies that come with running a business. It's overwhelming, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it takes you away from what you actually love doing, running your business. That's where accounting software comes in. It's like having a financial superhero by your side, automating tasks, generating reports, and giving you a clear picture of your financial health. And one name you've probably heard mentioned in this space is Xero. But the big question is, how much does Xero Starter actually cost? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the specifics of Xero Starter pricing, let's talk a little more about why cloud-based accounting software like Xero is so beneficial. Think about the old days of shoeboxes full of receipts and manual ledger entries. Nightmare, right? Cloud accounting eliminates all of that. It's accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, meaning you can manage your finances on the go, whether you're at your desk, on your phone, or even on vacation, though we hope you're not working too much on vacation. Xero, in particular, is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even if you're not a financial whiz. It offers a range of features, from invoicing and bank reconciliation to inventory management and financial reporting. It's designed to streamline your financial processes and give you real-time insights into your business performance. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how much is it going to set me back? That's the million-dollar question, or rather, the how much is Xero Starter question. And the answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple one. Pricing can vary depending on a few factors, including your region and any special offers that might be running. Xero offers different pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Starter is typically their most basic plan, designed for small businesses with relatively simple accounting needs. It's usually a good starting point for freelancers, sole traders, and very small businesses just getting started. So what can you expect from Xero Starter? Generally, it includes essential features like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. It allows you to send invoices to your customers, track your expenses, connect your bank accounts for automatic transaction importing, and generate basic financial reports to see how your business is doing. However, there are limitations to the starter plan. It might have restrictions on the number of invoices you can send or the number of bank accounts you can connect. It might also lack some of the more advanced features available in higher-tier plans, such as inventory management or project tracking. Now, the actual price of Xero Starter can vary. It's crucial to visit the official Xero website for your region to get the most up-to-date pricing information. Don't rely on outdated information or third-party websites, as prices can change. When you visit the Xero website, look for their pricing page. You'll typically find a breakdown of the different plans they offer, including Starter, and the features included in each plan. Pay close attention to the details, as some features might be add-ons or only available in higher-tier plans. One thing to keep in mind is that Xero often offers free trials. This is a fantastic opportunity to test out the software and see if it's the right fit for your business before committing to a paid subscription. Take advantage of the free trial period to explore the features, get comfortable with the interface, and see how it can help you manage your finances. Another important factor to consider when evaluating Xero Starter's cost is the value it brings to your business. Think about how much time you currently spend on manual accounting tasks. How much is your time worth? Xero can automate many of these tasks, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Also, consider the cost of potential errors that can occur with manual accounting. A simple mistake can lead to inaccurate financial reports, missed tax deadlines, or even financial losses. Xero helps to minimize these risks by automating calculations and providing accurate financial data. So, while the monthly or annual subscription fee for Xero Starter might seem like an expense, it can actually be an investment in your business. It can save you time, reduce errors, and give you valuable insights into your financial performance, ultimately helping you make better business decisions. Don't just focus on the price tag. Consider the features offered, the value it provides, and how it fits into your overall business needs. If you're a small business owner with basic accounting requirements, Xero Starter might be the perfect solution. However, if your business grows or you have more complex accounting needs, you might need to upgrade to a higher tier plan. Xero offers a range of plans with varying features and pricing, so you can choose the one that best suits your business. Remember, the best way to find out the exact cost of Xero Starter is to visit the official Xero website for your region. Don't hesitate to contact their sales team if you have any questions or need further clarification. They can provide you with personalized guidance and help you choose the right plan for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.